Anthropic just got caught red-handed, secretly sabotaging its own users. Claude Fable 5, the most powerful AI model ever released to the public, was quietly degrading your results without telling you. The AI research community erupted. Anthropic apologized within 48 hours, and now we know exactly what happened. Let me break it down. Quick context if you missed my last video. Claude Fable 5 launched June 9th as Anthropic's first Mythos-class model available to the public. It's genuinely incredible. 1 million token context beats every benchmark. Stripe migrated 50 million lines of code in a day with it. It was included free on Claude Pro and Max plans until June 22nd. So far, so good, right? Here's where it gets ugly. Buried in Anthropic's 319-page system card was a bombshell. Fable 5 had an invisible safeguard. If it detected you were working on AI research, things like pre-training models, building training infrastructure, or designing ML chips, it would secretly degrade its own performance. No warning, no notification, no fallback message, just quietly worse output. You paid for Fable 5, you got something worse, and you had no way to know. Think about why this is terrifying for researchers. If you're running an experiment and get bad results, you assume your hypothesis is wrong. You don't assume the model was secretly told to underperform. A failed experiment looks the same whether your code has a bug or the model was quietly sabotaging you. This is a reproducibility nightmare. SemiAnalysis, a respected AI research firm, was among the first to go public after their GPU inference research got flagged and degraded. The backlash was immediate and brutal. Developers called it secret sabotage. Researchers pointed out it was anti-competitive. If you're building anything that could compete with Anthropic, the model you're paying for secretly works worse. It's like buying a Ferrari and finding out it secretly limits itself to 60 miles per hour if it detects you're driving to a competitor's showroom. The trust violation was massive. Within 48 hours, Anthropic caved. They posted on X, quote, "Invisible safeguards can be targeted more narrowly, allowing us to ship quickly with very few false positives. We went with invisible safeguards for this reason, and that was the wrong trade-off. You should have visibility into the safeguards we have in place, and why. We're sorry for not getting the balance right." End quote. They admitted they made the wrong call. Here's what's changing. Starting this week, flagged requests will visibly route to Claude Opus 4.8 instead of silently giving you degraded Fable output. API users will get a stated reason when a request is refused. You'll actually know when it happens. But here's the catch. Anthropic isn't removing the restrictions. They're just making them visible. And because visible safeguards are easier to bypass, they're casting a wider net. More false positives are coming. Your legitimate ML research might get flagged more often while they tune the system. This reveals something important about where AI is heading. Anthropic believes Mythos-class models are genuinely dangerous, that they could help bad actors build bioweapons or launch cyber attacks. That's why they have safeguards. But the question is, do you silently degrade a product someone paid for? Or do you tell them and accept they might work around it? Anthropic chose secrecy first and got burned. The lesson is clear. Transparency wins even when it's harder. Users will accept guardrails they can see. They will never accept being secretly manipulated. So, what should you do? If you're using Fable 5 for AI research, your results from before this week might be compromised. Consider rerunning critical experiments. Going forward, you'll see when your requests get rerouted to Opus 4.8. Also remember, Fable 5 leaves free subscription plans on June 22nd and moves to usage credits. That's $10 per million input tokens and $50 output. The free ride is ending soon regardless. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I'm covering every major development with Fable 5 as it happens. Drop a comment with your experience. Were you affected by the invisible safeguards?